हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में मैं पटना के परफेक्शन आईएएस के टेस्ट 7 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आने वाले बीपीएससी 68th प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन में आप सबको सफल बनाने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प करेंगे। आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और यदि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। इंडियाज फर्स्ट ओपन रॉक म्यूजियम इन हैदराबाद। ये सही है। फर्स्ट इंडियन ओरिजिन वुमेन टू रीच द साउथ पोल हरप्रीत सिंह चंडी। ये भी करेक्ट है। फर्स्ट ड्रोन स्कूल इन महाराष्ट्र। नहीं, फर्स्ट ड्रोन स्कूल जो है ओपन हुआ है वो मध्य प्रदेश में हुआ है, महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, एमपी में। तो ये रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है। इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट बम्बू पार्क मणिपुर। फर्स्ट बम्बू पार्क मणिपुर में नहीं है, त्रिपुरा में है। सो ये भी रॉन्ग है। 4, सो व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स आर करेक्ट। तो करेक्ट 1 and 2 है। सो राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी, 1 and 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट एशियन टीम टू विन ए टेस्ट मैच इन सेंचुरियन। इंडियन टीम है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। Apart from India, England and Australia are the only two visiting nations to overpower South Africa at Centurion in 2000 and 2014. Next question, who won the Sahitya Akademi Award 2021 in English language category? English writer Namita Gokhale won the award for her novel Things to Leave Behind. She is among the authors who have been honored with Sahitya Akademi Award 2021 in 20 different languages. So right option will be Namita Gokhale, D. Next question, Amir Subhani has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state? Bihar. Right option will be B. Next question, who has been appointed as New India's permanent representative to the UN Conference on Disarmament? Anupam Ray has been appointed as India's new permanent representative at UN Conference on Disarmament. Indian Foreign Service officer Anupam Ray is currently serving as a joint secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs, headquarters in Delhi. Ray will succeed Pankaj Sharma, who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Mexico. UN Conference on Disarmament is headquartered in Geneva. So right option will be Anupam Ray, B. Next question, which country has become the fourth new member of the New Development Bank? Egypt. Right option will be A. India on December 29, 2021 welcomed Egypt as the new member of the BRICS New Development Bank. With this, Egypt has now become a fourth new member to be admitted to BRICS NDB. Before Egypt joined the multilateral bank, earlier in September 2021, India had welcomed Bangladesh, Uruguay and United Arab Emirates as the new members of the BRICS New Development Bank. Next question, who has been appointed as the new Chief Economic Advisor of India? Anant Nageswaran. Right option will be D. Next question, which state has launched first of its kind brain health initiative to train doctors? Karnataka. Right option will be C. K. Sudhakar, Minister of Medical Education and Health of Karnataka, virtually launched Brain Health Initiative, a first of its kind initiative in India, undertaken by the National Institute of Medical Health and Neurosciences in association with the National Institution for Transforming India, that means Niti Aayog. Next question, which player has won the Australian Open 2022 women's single title? Ashley Barty. Right option will be A. In tennis, world number 1 Ashley Barty of Australia defeated Danielle Collins of the US to win women's singles final title at the Australian Open 2022 on January 29, 2022. With this win, the 25-year-old Barty has become the first Australian woman in 44 years to win a Grand Slam title at home. Next question, which country has declared an environmental emergency due to the soil spill? Peru. Right option will be A. The Peruvian government has declared a 90-day environmental emergency in damaged coastal territories after an oil spill that saw 6,000 barrels of crude oil pour into the sea. Next question. World's largest canal lock has been inaugurated in which country? In Netherlands. Right option will be A. The world's largest canal lock has been inaugurated at IJmuiden, a small port city in the port of Amsterdam, the Netherlands. The sea lock was inaugurated by Dutch King Willem Alexander on January 26, 2022. Next question. Who has become the first woman Rafale fighter jet pilot in the Republic Day parade? Shivangi Singh. Right option will be C. Next question. Which brand became most valuable brand in 2022 as per Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report? Apple. Right option will be A. Apple has retained its position as the most valuable brand in 2022 as well, according to the Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report. The brand valuation of Apple was recorded at 355.1 billion US dollar in 2022, which is an increase of 35% from last year. This is the highest brand value ever recorded in the Brand Finance Global 500 ranking history. Next question. India has sought the UNESCO World Heritage Tag for Living Root Bridge built in which state? In Meghalaya. None of the above. Right option will be E. A living root bridge is suspension bridge across small streams. They are built using living plant roots. These root bridges are common in Meghalaya. They are handmade. They are built using rubber of fig trees. They are built by the local Jaintia and Khasi people. Recently, the India has sought UNESCO World Heritage Tag. Next question. Which company is expected to unveil the world's fastest supercomputer by mid-2022? Meta. Right option will be D. Meta, Facebook parent company, has said that its newly unveiled artificial intelligence supercomputer will be fastest in the world by mid-2022. In an official statement on January 24, 2022, Meta said that the company is introducing AI Research Supercluster RSC, which is believed to be among the fastest AI supercomputers running today. Next question. Union government has approved to set up a plastic park in which city? Mangaluru. Right option will be B. The central government recently approved to build a plastic park at Ganjimut, Mangaluru, Karnataka. It is to be built by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, that means KIADB land. Of the total estimated cost of 77 crores of rupees, the union government will share 50%, that is 31.38 crores of rupees. The rest of the 50% is to be borne by the KIADB. Next question. The Deep Space Food Challenge has been launched by which space agency? NASA. Right option will be C. The US Space Agency NASA has launched phase 2 of the challenge called as Deep Space Food Challenge in coordination with the Canadian Space Agency. The competition invites teams to design, build and demonstrate innovative and sustainable prototype of food production technologies and produce food for judging. The technology will help future astronauts to produce nutritious, tasty and satisfying meals on long-duration space missions that require minimal resources and produce minimal waste. Next question. Which football legend's statue has been unveiled in Panaji, Goa? Cristiano Ronaldo. Right option will be B. Portuguese football legend Cristiano Ronaldo statue has been unveiled in Panaji, Goa to motivate the younger generation towards sports. This is the first time that the statue of Cristiano Ronaldo has been installed in India. Next question, financial stability report is the flagship report released by which institution? Reserve Bank of India. Right option will be D. Financial Stability Report FSR is a half-yearly report released by the Reserve Bank of India. The recent edition of the report was released by RBI. As per the report, the retail lead credit growth model in India is beginning to face issue due to two factors: increase in defaults in the consumer finance portfolio and slowdown in the new credit segment. Next question, which union ministry implements the Ujala program? Ujala program. A Ministry of Power. Right option will be B. The Ministry of Power successfully completed 7 years of distributing LED lights under its flagship Ujala program. It is one of the world's largest zero subsidy domestic lighting program with more than 36 crore LEDs distributed across the country. Launched in 2015, Ujala stands for Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LEDs for All. It reduced the retail price of LED bulbs and CO2 emissions. Next question, the world's largest fish breeding area has been discovered near which sea? Weddell Sea. Right option will be D. A team of scientists recently discovered the world's largest fish breeding area near the Filsner ice shelf in the south of the Antarctic Weddell Sea. Next question, which country proposed P3, that means pro-planet people movement during the WEF Davos Agenda 2022? India. Right option will be D. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced the P3 Pro-Planet People movement to underline India's climate change commitments at World Economic Forum's Davos Agenda 2022. Next question, which country has organized the Asia Ministerial Conference on Tiger Conservation? Malaysia. Right option will be D. Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Bhupendra Yadav addressed the 4th Asia Ministerial Conference on Tiger Conservation. The government of Malaysia and Global Tiger Forum has organized the 4th Asia Ministerial Conference on Tiger Conservation. The draft declaration on tiger conservation for Global Tiger Summit was finalized at a pre-Tiger Summit in New Delhi in 2010. India is home to over 70% of the tiger population globally. It has 51 tiger reserves in 18 states. Next question, which state became India's first to animation, visual effects, gaming and comics AVGC Center of Excellence? Karnataka. Right option will be B. Next question, which country has launched its first maritime domain awareness satellite constellation? South Africa has launched its first satellite constellation developed entirely in the continent of Africa. Right option will be C. Next question, Jerry Hamlet has been declared as Milk Village of which state? Jammu and Kashmir. Right option will be B. In the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the administration has declared Jerry Hamlet in Riasi district as the first milk village of the Union Territory and sanctioned 57 more dairy farms under the Integrated Dairy Development Scheme for the hamlet. Next question, name of engine that will power India's first human carry rocket, Gaganyaan human space mission? Vikas engine. Right option will be C. Next question, who is the author of book Legend of Birsa Munda? Tuhin A. Sinha. Right option will be A. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari released a book titled The Legend of Birsa Munda, authored by Tuhin A. Sinha and co-authored by Ankita Verma. The book is the story of a lesser-known tribal hero, Birsa Munda, who courageously fought against the oppressive British Raj for the rights of his tribal community. Next question, which Indian film has been nominated for the Best Featured Film at Oscar 2022? Jai Bhim. Right option will be B. Next question. As per Climate of India during 2021 report, which state union territory was the most affected? Maharashtra. Right option will be C. Indian Meteorological Department IMD published its Climate of India during 2021 report on January 21, 2022. As per the report, year 2021 was the fifth warmest year in India since country-wide records started in India in 1901. India reported a loss of 1,750 lives because of extreme weather events in 2021. Maharashtra was the most adversely affected state with 350 deaths. Next question. Who has been elected as new president of EU Parliament? Roberta Metsola. Right option will be D. The European Parliament has elected Maltese politician Roberta Metsola as its new president on January 18, 2022. The 43-year-old is the only third woman and the youngest president ever to run the chamber. Next question. The Government of India has done conversion or switch operations with which institution? The Government of India has done conversion or switch operation with the Reserve Bank of India. Right option will be C. Reserve Bank of India for an amount of 1,19,701 crore. The transaction involved buying back securities maturing in financial year 2022 to 23, financial year 23-24 and financial year 24-25 from the Reserve Bank and issuing fresh securities equivalent market value. This conversion will help to reduce the redemption pressure on the government. Next question. Bloody Sunday is a commemorative event marked by which country? Ireland. Right option will be D. Northern Ireland is making 50 years of Bloody Sunday, on which British soldiers fired upon a crowd of protesters, killing 14 people. Irish Prime Minister Michel Martin also tweeted that the country is paying tribute to the families of the victims. The violence took place during a march organized by the Northern Ireland Civil Rights Association. Next question. Union Budget announced a scheme to promote chemical-free natural farming with pilot project along which river? Ganga. Right option will be A. Union Budget announced a scheme under which the government will promote chemical-free natural farming throughout the country. It is to be implemented with a focus on farmers' land in 5-kilometer wide corridors along the river Ganga in the first stage. Next question. Which is the nodal agency of the new scheme PM Divine? Northeastern Council. Northeastern Council. Right option will be D. A new scheme, Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast, PM Divine, was announced by the Union Minister for Finance Nirmala Sitharaman while presenting the Union Budget 2022-23. PM Divine will be implemented through the Northeastern Council. Next question. Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary is a new Ramsar site located in which state or union territory? Gujarat. In Gujarat, right option will be B. Two new Ramsar sites were announced on the occasion of World Wetlands Day. They are Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat and Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh. Next question. A Statue of Equality at Hyderabad featured which Bhakti saint? Ramanujacharya. Right option will be B. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated to the nation 216 feet tall Statue of Equality in Hyderabad to commemorate the 11th century Bhakti saint Ramanujacharya. Ramanuja or Ramanujacharya was a famous Indian philosopher, Hindu theologian and an influential saint of Bhakti movement. He promoted the idea of equality in all aspects of life, including faith, caste and creed. Next question. Which became the first European country to introduce a COVID-19 vaccine mandate? Austria. Right option will be D. Austria became the first European country to introduce a COVID-19 vaccine mandate. As per the law, everyone in the country must have an active vaccination status by March 15, 2022. Next question, which is the venue of the 2028 Olympic Games? Los Angeles. Right option will be B. Los Angeles is the venue of 2028 Summer Olympic Games. Paris is the venue of 2024 Olympic Games. Next question, which High Court has constituted a 3-judge bench to hear petitions questioning a ban on the use of hijabs in colleges? Karnataka High Court. Right option will be D. Karnataka High Court Chief Justice constituted a 3-judge bench, including himself, to hear a batch of petitions questioning a ban on the use of hijabs in a few pre-university colleges in the state. A single-judge bench of the court had decided to refer the pleas to a larger bench as it found the case involved larger constitutional issues. The decision came after 2 days of tension and protest across Karnataka over the issue. Next question, what is the target of all India coal production up to 2023 to 24? 1.2 billion tons. Right option will be B. Ministry of Coal announced that a target of the all India coal production of 1.2 billion ton up to the year 2023 to 24 has been fixed. The Union government launched a single window clearance portal in 2021 for the coal sector to speed up the operationalization of coal mines. It is a unified platform that assists for clearances and approvals required for starting a coal mine in India. Next question, which country has become the first to allow drones in civilian airspace? Israel. Right option will be C. Next question, when is the International Day of Women and Girls in Science observed every year? February 11. Right option will be B. Next question, which network of the Indian Railway launched first QR code based payment? Southern Network. Right option will be A. Southern Railway has introduced quick response code based payment of ticket fare in automatic ticket vending machines. This aims to encourage cashless transactions and digital payments. As per the Railway Administration, journey and platform tickets can be purchased using QR code facility. Next question, India signed agreement with UN World Food Programme for distribution of wheat to which country? Afghanistan. Right option will be B. India signed an agreement with the United Nations World Food Programme WFP for the distribution of 50,000 metric ton of wheat. Next question, which Union Ministry launched New Frontiers program as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Right option will be A. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is conducting a 3-day program New Frontiers on Renewable Energy. This has been conducted as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations. A brainstorming meeting on roadmap to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2070 will also be conducted. Next question, what is the outlay of Prime Minister Awas Yojana in the Union Budget 2022 to 23? 48,000 crore rupees. Right option will be D. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman allocated 48,000 crore rupees towards completion of 80 lakh houses under Prime Minister Awas Yojana in rural and urban areas during 2022 to 23. Recently, the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs approved project proposals for over 60,000 houses across 5 states: Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Next question, what is the main objective of PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan? Infrastructure development. Right option will be C. Gati Shakti is a digital platform which will bring 16 ministries together for integrated planning and coordinated implementation of infrastructure connectivity projects. Under the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, the government plans to develop 22 greenfield expressway, 23 key infrastructure projects including other highways and 35 multimodal logistics parks as per the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next question, Sustainable International Financing Scheme is associated with which global association? G20. Right option will be D. During the meeting, G20 nations sought for a sustainable international financing scheme aimed to protect countries against future pandemic and reduce gaps in the health system in member countries. Next question, Asia's biggest bio-CNG plant has been inaugurated in which Indian state? In Madhya Pradesh. Right option will be B. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated Asia's biggest bio-CNG plant in Madhya Pradesh, Indore. The bio-CNG plant has been set up based on the concept of waste to wealth innovation in Indore, India's cleanest city. It has a capacity of 550 metric ton per day, claimed to the highest in Asia. Next question, India signed a comprehensive economic partnership agreement SEPA with which country in February 2022? With UAE. Right option will be C. India and UAE recently signed a comprehensive economic partnership agreement. It is set to benefit almost 90% of trade, both exports and imports, between the two countries. India has given duty concessions on gold exported from the UAE, while Indian exporters will attract 0% duty on jewelry. Next question, Rashtriya Uchtar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA has been approved for continuation till which year? The Ministry of Education has approved the scheme of Rashtriya Uchtar Shiksha Abhiyan for continuation till 2026. Right option will be B. Next question, Khajuraho Dance Festival is a famous event organized in which Indian state? Madhya Pradesh. The 48th Khajuraho Dance Festival commenced in Madhya Pradesh. Right option will be A. Next question, which Indian city has been elected as the host of 2023 International Olympic Committee's IOC session? Mumbai. Right option will be C. Next question, which country recently flagged off 100 drones to be used for spraying pesticides in farms? India. Right option will be B. In a special drive conducted to help farmers, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off 100 Kisan drones in different cities and towns to spray pesticides in farms across the country. Next question, which country topped the medal tally in 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics? Norway. Right option will be A. For the second games in a row, Norway topped the medal tally in the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics with 16 golds. It was followed by Germany with 12 golds and China with 9. Next question, which country successfully tested a new naval air defense system Sea-Dome? Israel. Right option will be B. Israel has successfully tested a new naval air defense system named Sea-Dome, intercepting a series of threats. The Sea-Dome system is a novel version of the Iron Dome, which is being used to shoot down rockets fired from the Gaza Strip for the past decade. The new system is being installed on Israel's latest Corvette ships. Next question, which institution authorizes all prepaid instruments in India? The Reserve Bank of India authorizes all prepaid instruments in India under the power conferred under Payment and Settlement System Act 2007, PSS Act 2007. Right option will be D, RBI. Next question, which is the venue of multi-nation air exercise Cobra Warrior 2022? Cobra Warrior 22, UK. Right option will be A. Next question, which state or union territory recently approved the policy on promotion of foreign investment in the industrial sector? Jammu and Kashmir. Right option will be A. The new policy aims to facilitate foreign investments higher than 1,000 crore rupees with a minimum of 51% foreign tax. Next question, which space mission or satellite of ISRO has detected solar proton events for the first time? Chandrayaan-2, right option will be B. Chandrayaan-2 orbiter has detected solar proton events via its large area soft X-ray spectrometer. The proton events are said to be increase the radiation exposure to human in space. Earlier, the instrument also recorded coronal mass ejections, a stream of ionized material and magnetic fields, leading to geomagnetic storms. Next question, which is the largest exported item among all fresh food category from India? Fresh grapes. Right option will be C. Next question, Hemanand Biswal was the first tribal chief minister of which state? Odisha. Odisha's first tribal chief minister as well as last Congress CM of the state, Hemanand Biswal, passed away. Right option will be B. Next question, which country launched a rocket to place record 22 satellites in space? China. Right option will be A. China recently launched a Long March 8 rocket to place 22 satellites in space, setting a domestic record for the most spacecraft launched by a single rocket. These satellites will be used for commercial remote sensing services, marine environment monitoring, forest fire prevention and disaster mitigation. Next question, which state or union territory hosted India's first ice wall climbing competition? Ladakh. Right option will be B. An ice wall climbing competition was organized by the Northwest Frontier Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force in Ladakh. The competition was held in collaboration with the Ladakh Mountaineering Guide Association. This is the first time that an ice climbing competition was organized in India. Next question, which state is the host of National Conclave on Social Enterprises for Garbage-Free Cities? Chhattisgarh. Right option will be B. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 under the aegis of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs organized a national conclave on social enterprises for garbage-free cities, encouraging women entrepreneurs in waste management. The conclave was organized in collaboration with the Chhattisgarh government in Raipur. Next question, which institution released the State of India's Environment Report 2022? Center for Science and Environment. Right option will be A. Bhupendra Yadav, Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, released Center for Science and Environment Down to Earth's annual State of India's Environment Report 2022. This was released at the Anil Agrawal Dialogue organized by Delhi-based non-profit Center for Science and Environment. As per the report, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are below the national average in 11 and 14 SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals respectively. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh fared best in SDG. Question number 68. Which union ministry has constituted Swadesh Darshan Awards? Ministry of Tourism. Right option will be D. Next question, what is the name of India's indigenous automatic trend protection system? Kavach. Right option C होगा. Next question, which Indian state announced the camel protection and development policy? राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है. राइट ऑप्शन ए होगा. Next question, the Central Industrial Security Force, that means CISF, functions under which union ministry? Ministry of Home Affairs. Right option will be B. CISF was founded in 1969. Next question, Karewas are the fertile alluvial soil deposits found in which state or union territory? In Jammu and Kashmir. Right option will be B. These are the ideal places for cultivation of saffron, almonds, apples and several other cash crops. Next question, Russia has overtaken which country to become the most sanctioned country in the world? ईरान को पीछे छोड़ दिया है सैंक्शन के मामले में. जब से यूक्रेन पे अटैक किया है तब से इस पे बहुत सारे सैंक्शन लगाए गए हैं, जिसकी वजह से ईरान से वो आगे निकल गया है. राइट ऑप्शन डी है. Next question, which state become first to introduce carbon neutral farming method for better soil health? केरला ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शांति श्री पंडित हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड द फर्स्ट वुमेन वाइस चांसलर ऑफ विच सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी? जेएनयू की वाइस चांसलर अपॉइंट हुई हैं वो, जेएनयू, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडिया हैज रिसेंटली इंटर्ड इनटू टॉक्स फॉर ए फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट विथ विच कंट्री? तो यूएई के साथ तो फ्री एफटीए साइन हो गया है, एक ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ है यूएई के साथ, और बातचीत कनाडा के साथ चल रही है। सो इसमें से नन ऑफ द अबव हो जाएगा, ई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द इंडियाज रैंक इन द ग्लोबल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ व्हीट? तो वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा व्हीट का प्रोडक्शन चाइना करता है, उसके बाद में इंडिया है सेकेंड स्थान पे। सो राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कंट्री सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च्ड मिलिट्री सैटेलाइट नूर 2 इनटू द ऑर्बिट? ईरान ने लॉन्च किया है नूर 2, राइट ऑप्शन ए होगा। नूर नाम का जो सैटेलाइट है ईरान अप्रैल 2020 में लॉन्च किया था, और ये सेकेंड है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच सिटी इज द होस्ट ऑफ साहित्योत्सव लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल? न्यू दिल्ली, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच प्रोडक्ट इज रसियाज बिगेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन टू ग्लोबल ट्रेड? वो है क्रूड पेट्रोलियम। क्रूड पेट्रोलियम का बिगेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन है ग्लोबल ट्रेड में रसिया का। उसके बाद है रिफाइंड पेट्रोलियम का, राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा, एंड देन गैस का। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स ऑर्डर अमेंडमेंट बिल वाज रिसेंटली प्रेजेंटेड टू इंक्लूड सर्टेन ट्राइब्स इन विच स्टेट? त्रिपुरा। त्रिपुरा के कुछ ट्राइब्स को शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब का दर्जा देने के लिए ये अमेंडमेंट लाया गया था, ये बिल लाया गया है, राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंडियन सिटी इज द होस्ट ऑफ 44th वर्ल्ड चेस ओलंपियाड इन 2022? तो चेन्नई रहा, ये जुलाई अगस्त में ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था ये 44th वर्ल्ड चेस ओलंपियाड, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ग्रीन ट्रायंगल नेम्ड आफ्टर महात्मा गांधी वाज इनॉग्रेटेड इन विच कंट्री? मेडागास्कर में, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। क्यों ऐसा हुआ था? इसका इनॉग्रेशन क्यों हुआ था? क्या पर्पस है इसका? इसका पर्पस है कि जो कैपिटल है मेडागास्कर का जो कैपिटल है उसका वहाँ का ग्रीन कवर इंक्रीज किया जाए, ग्रीन कवर एरिया को इंक्रीज किया जाए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, साइक्लोन आसनी हैज हिट विच स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया? अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। Next question, what is the name of the new entrance test conducted for the central universities? Common University Education Test, CUET, right option will be D. Next question, Tulip Festival is an annual festival conducted in which Indian city? Srinagar, right option will be B. Next question, what is the theme of the Earth Hour in 2022? तो Earth Hour जो है हर साल मार्च के लास्ट सैटरडे को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, और इस साल का, पिछले साल का जो थीम था वो था शेप आवर फ्यूचर, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रधानमंत्री संग्रहालय इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी? न्यू दिल्ली में है, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द चार्टर अकाउंटेंट्स बिल सीक टू सेट अप ए कोऑर्डिनेशन कमिटी हेडेड बाय Corporate Affairs Secretary, right option will be C. The Chartered Accountants, Cost and Works Accountants and Company Secretaries Amendment Bill seeks to appoint non-chartered accountant, non-cost accountant and non-company secretary as the presiding officer of the disciplinary committee of the respective bodies. The bill seeks to set up a coordination committee headed by the Corporate Affairs Secretary. Next question, what is the rank of India in the Hurun Global U40 Self-Made Billionaires 2022? Fourth, right option will be B. Next question, the Lok Sabha passed a bill to merge 3 municipal corporations of which city into a single entity? Delhi, right option will be D. The Lok Sabha passed the Delhi Municipal Corporation Amendment Bill seeks to unify the three municipal corporations of Delhi into a single and integrated entity. Next question, which was the venue of the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium Maiden Maritime Exercise 2022 IMEX 22? गोवा था, गोवा में ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंडियन स्टेट लॉन्च्ड मुख्यमंत्री निबिड़ मत्स्य प्रकल्प? तो त्रिपुरा के सीएम बिप्लब कुमार देब ने इसे लॉन्च किया था। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंस्टीट्यूशन रिलीजेज द स्टेट ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन रिपोर्ट? तो यूनाइटेड नेशन पॉपुलेशन फंड यानी UNFPA। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडिया हैज opened up its central government procurement market to which country recently? UAE. Right option will be A. India has opened up its central government procurement market to the United Arab Emirates under the recently signed Free Trade Agreement FTA. Next question, guidance is the investment promotion agency of which Indian state? तमिलनाडु की ये एजेंसी है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी ऑफ इंडिया? विनय मोहन क्वात्रा। ये 1988 बैच के IFS ऑफिसर हैं। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंडियन पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक लॉन्च्ड इट्स डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्रोजेक्ट संभव? यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। Next question, which country is the world's largest producer and exporter of palm oil? Indonesia is the world's largest producer and exporter of palm oil. Right option will be D. Next question, which organization launched the first fully private astronaut mission to the International Space Agency? SpaceX. Right option will be D. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launched AX-1, a mission from Houston-based company Axiom Space. It is the first fully private astronaut mission to the International Space Station. Next question, which is the first Hindi novel to be shortlisted for the International Booker Prize? Tomb of Sand, written by Gitanjali Sri. Right option will be D. Next question, who topped the Forbes 36th annual World's Billionaires list of 2022? Elon Musk. Right option will be C. Next question, which union ministry implements the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan RGSA? Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Right option will be C. The Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi launched the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, the transformation of aspirational districts program under the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Next question, which is the first state to develop migration tracking system MTS application? Maharashtra. Right option will be C. The Maharashtra government has developed a website based migration tracking system, that means MTS application, to map the movement of vulnerable seasonal migrant workers. Next question, a state-owned NHPC signed a MOU with which state for the development of green hydrogen? Himachal Pradesh. Right option will be B. A state-owned NHPC has signed a memorandum of understanding with the district administration of Chamba, Himachal Pradesh for development of green hydrogen technologies to produce hydrogen. Next question, which country is the host of International Water Week Water Convention 2022? Singapore. Right option will be D. Director General National Mission for Clean Ganga of India participated virtually in Singapore International Water Week Water Convention 2022 and gave a presentation on status of wastewater generation, treatment and management in India. Next question, which city is the host of a Smart Cities, a Smart Urbanization Conference? Surat. Right option will be B. The Smart Cities, a Smart Urbanization Conference is organized by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in association with Surat Smart City Corporation Development Limited at Surat. Next question, India's first portable solar rooftop system was inaugurated at which city? Gandhinagar. Right option will be A. India's first portable solar rooftop system was inaugurated at Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple Complex in Gandhinagar. Next question, India's first pure green hydrogen plant has been commissioned in which state? Assam. Right option will be D. The Oil India Limited commissioned India's first 99.999% pure green hydrogen plant in the state of Assam. Oil India Limited, the second largest national production and exploration firm, commissioned the green hydrogen plant at its Jorhat pump station. Next question, which city is the venue of first ever Incredible India International Cruise Conference 2022? Mumbai. Right option will be B. Next question, India unveiled the first ever navigation chart with which country? Maldives. Right option will be C. India and Maldives have jointly unveiled the first ever navigation chart. It helps ships to understand the maritime topography of Maldives, exclusive economic zones, water depths, and areas to avoid. Next question, which country conducted the first open-air trial of genetically modified mosquitoes? United States. Right option will be B. Oxitec, a UK-based biotech firm initially founded at Oxford University, released genetically modified mosquitoes in an effort to curb wild mosquito populations. Oxitec has already tested the genetically modified mosquitoes in the field in Brazil, Panama, the Cayman Islands, and Malaysia, but this was the first open-air trial of genetically modified mosquitoes in the United States. Next question, which is the first vaccine to be guaranteed emergency use authorization in India for children in 5 to 12 years age group? ड्रग कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया के एक्सपर्ट्स पैनल ने 5 से 12 वर्ष के 5 to 12 ईयर्स के बच्चों के लिए कोर्बोवैक्स के इमरजेंसी यूज का परमिशन के लिए रिकमेंड किया है. सो कौन सा है? कोर्बेवैक्स. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी. Expert panel of Drug Controller General of India has recommended granting emergency use authorization for Corbevax for children in 5 to 12 years age group. Next question, India's out campaign is associated with which country? मालदीव से एसोसिएटेड है. मालदीव में पिछले 2-3 सालों से फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट अब्दुल्ला यामीन के नेतृत्व में इंडिया आउट कैंपेन चलाया जा रहा है. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रायसीना डायलॉग विच वाज इनॉग्रेटेड रिसेंटली इज ए कॉन्फ्रेंस इन विच फील्ड? फॉरेन पॉलिसी. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दूधवानी इंडियाज फर्स्ट कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन हैज बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट? इन गुजरात. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने दूधवाणी नामक एक सामुदायिक कम्युनिटी रेडियो सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन का उद्घाटन किया, जिसे पशुपालन के लिए समर्पित किया गया है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर इनॉग्रेटेड ए कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन नेम्ड दूधवानी which has been dedicated to animal husbandry. Next question, which is the venue of Asia's biggest international food and hospitality fair Ahar 2022? तो एग्रीकल्चरल एंड प्रोसेस्ड फूड प्रोडक्ट्स एक्सपोर्ट डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी यानी एपेडा ने इंडिया ट्रेड प्रमोशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ मिल करके आहार 2022 को नई दिल्ली के प्रगति मैदान में ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. कहाँ? न्यू दिल्ली के प्रगति मैदान में. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एज पर द इंडियाज नेशनल फ्रेमवर्क फॉर मलेरिया एलिमिनेशन, इंडिया विल एलिमिनेट मलेरिया बाई विच ईयर? 2030, 2020, 2030. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी. अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WTO के अकॉर्डिंग 2027 तक मलेरिया के केसेस को जीरो कर देना है, कंप्लीटली एलिमिनेट कर देना है 2030 तक, 2030 तक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द वेन्यू ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन फार्मा एंड मेडिकल डिवाइसेस सेक्टर 2022? तो वो था, वेन्यू जो था, डॉक्टर अंबेडकर इंटरनेशनल सेंटर, न्यू दिल्ली। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन सिटी टू यूज वैक्यूम बेस्ड सीवर्स? आगरा। आगरा जो है वैक्यूम बेस्ड सीवर सिस्टम का यूज करेगा। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द फर्स्ट एयरलाइन इन एशिया टू यूज द गगन सैटेलाइट बेस्ड नेविगेशन सिस्टम ड्यूरिंग लैंडिंग? तो लैंडिंग के दौरान इसरो के गगन सैटेलाइट बेस्ड नेविगेशन सिस्टम का यूज करने वाला एशिया का जो फर्स्ट एयरलाइन है वो है इंडिगो। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कंट्री रिसेंटली इशूड ए प्रपोजल टू बैन मेंथॉल सिगरेट्स एंड फ्लेवर्ड सिगार्स? वो है यूएसए। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। यूएस का फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने ऐसा किया है। क्यों किया गया है? पर्पस क्या है? टू रिड्यूस स्मोकिंग को रिड्यूस करने के लिए, और साथ ही अमेरिकन पॉपुलेशन के टोबैको रिलेटेड हेल्थ डिस्पेरिटीज को रिड्यूस करने के लिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाइटली गोल्ड अवार्ड इज प्रेजेंटेड टू पीपल हु कंट्रीब्यूट इन विच फील्ड? वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन के लिए जो लोग कार्य करते हैं उनको दिया जाता है वाइटली गोल्ड अवार्ड हर साल। 2022 का अवार्ड जो है दिया गया चारू दत्त मिश्रा को। इन्होंने काम किया है लेपर्ड कंजर्वेशन के लिए। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडियाज पीवी सिंधु वोन विच मेडल पोजीशन इन द एशियन चैंपियनशिप 2022? ब्रॉन्ज मेडल। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। ब्रॉन्ज मेडल इनको इसलिए मिला क्योंकि ये सेमीफाइनल में जापान की अकाने यामागुची से हार गई थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडिया साइंड ए पैक्ट ऑन ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन टास्क फोर्स एंड एग्रीड टू वर्क ऑन AI स्टार्टअप्स विथ विच कंट्री? जर्मनी के साथ साइन किया गया है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दी बैचलोंग ब्रिज इज द लॉन्गेस्ट ग्लास ब्रिज इज लोकेटेड इन विच कंट्री? तो ये वियतनाम में है। इसका लेंथ 600 मीटर है। चाइना के ग्वांगडोंग में भी एक ग्लास ब्रिज है, बैचलोंग ब्रिज है, जिसका लेंथ 526 मीटर है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंडियन स्टेट लॉन्च्ड व्हीकल मूवमेंट ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम मोबाइल ऐप? तो वैसे व्हीकल्स जो सैंड को लेकर के जाते हैं या माइनिंग मटेरियल्स को लेकर के जाते हैं उनको ट्रैक करने के लिए हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट ने इस ऐप को लॉन्च किया है, इस मोबाइल ऐप को लॉन्च किया है, VMTS मोबाइल ऐप को लॉन्च किया है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कंट्री इज द होस्ट ऑफ 24th समर डेफलिम्पिक्स इन 2022? तो ये मई 2022 में ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था। कहाँ पे? ब्राज़ील में। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडिया लार्जेस्ट लिथियम आयन बैटरी प्लांट इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? गुजरात में है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। ये ज्वाइंट वेंचर है, ज्वाइंट वेंचर ऑफ इंडियन बैटरी मेकर एक्साइड इंडस्ट्रीज एंड स्विट्जरलैंड्स लेक्लांसे एससे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द वेन्यू ऑफ द 19th एशियन गेम्स शेड्यूल टू बी हेल्ड इन 2022? तो सितंबर 2022 में ऑर्गेनाइज होने वाला था, 10 सितंबर से 25 सितंबर के बीच में, चाइना के हैंगझाऊ में, लेकिन कोविड के केसेस ज़्यादा आने लगे जिसकी वजह से इसको कैंसिल कर दिया गया। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी हैंगझाऊ, चाइना, बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च्ड ई अधिगम स्कीम टू प्रोवाइड टैबलेट्स टू 5 लाख स्टूडेंट्स? हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट ने 10th and 12th के स्टूडेंट्स को देने के लिए ऐसा स्कीम लेकर के आई है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मालपे फ्लोटिंग ब्रिज विच was seen in the news is located in which state? तो ये 100 मीटर लॉन्ग एंड 3 मीटर वाइड कर्नाटका का फर्स्ट फ्लोटिंग ब्रिज है। सो राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रेड विस्कर्ड बुलबुल, व्हाइट थ्रोटेड किंगफिशर एंड ब्राउन श्रीके आर दी स्पीसीज फाउंड इन विच स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी? तो ये जो वर्ड्स हैं पाई जाती हैं अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स में। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंडियन स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी हाउसेस द परमानेंट ऑफिस ऑफ लोकपाल? न्यू दिल्ली में है। पिनाकी चंद्र घोष जो हैं फर्स्ट लोकपाल हैं। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेशनल फिल्म हेरिटेज मिशन इज एसोसिएटेड विथ विच यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन कंपनी टू क्रॉस 100 बिलियन US$ एनुअल रेवेन्यू? तो वो है मुकेश अंबानी की रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द वेन्यू ऑफ द जैन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जीटो कनेक्ट 2022 कॉन्फ्रेंस? तो ये न्यू दिल्ली में ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था। इसको प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने एड्रेस किया था इसके इनॉग्रेल सेशन को। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द फर्स्ट एशियन कंट्री टू ज्वाइन नाटोज साइबर डिफेंस ग्रुप? साउथ कोरिया है फर्स्ट एशियन कंट्री ज्वाइन करने वाला। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नाटोज का साइबर डिफेंस ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने वाला फर्स्ट एशियन कंट्री साउथ कोरिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सावा लेक ए बायोडाइवर्स वेटलैंड सीन इन द न्यूज इज लोकेटेड इन विच कंट्री? इराक में लोकेटेड है। ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से अब ये लेक सूख रहा है। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, काटालिन नोवाक वाज इलेक्टेड रिसेंटली एज द फर्स्ट फीमेल एंड यंगेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ विच कंट्री? तो फर्स्ट फीमेल एंड 40-year-old यंगेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ हंगरी इलेक्ट हुई हैं काटालिन नोवाक। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टोमेटो फ्लू विच वाज सीन इन द न्यूज रिसेंटली इज इंडेमिक टू विच स्टेट? केरला। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। केरला में ये 5 साल से छोटे बच्चों को होता है। यह एक वायरल डिजीज है। जब ये होता है तो शरीर पे टमाटर के जैसे लाल लाल चकत्ते हो जाते हैं, इसलिए इसको टोमेटो फ्लू कहा जाता है। जब ये बीमारी होती है बच्चों को तो फीवर आता है, स्किन इरिटेशन होता है और डिहाइड्रेशन होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कंट्री इज द होस्ट ऑफ द सेकेंड ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक समिट हेल्ड इन मई 2022? यूएसए। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी इसको अटेंड किए थे इस समिट को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द हाईएस्ट पेड एथलीट इन द वर्ल्ड एज पर फोर्ब्स लिस्ट ऑफ 2022? लियोनेल मेसी। इनका जो नेटवर्थ है इनकम, टोटल इनकम जो है 130 मिलियन US$ के साथ ही लियोनेल मेसी फर्स्ट पे हैं। सेकंड पे हैं बास्केटबॉल खिलाड़ी जो हैं लेब्रॉन जेम्स। इनका जो नेट इनकम है वो है 121.2 मिलियन US$। और थर्ड स्थान पे हैं क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो जिनका इनकम है 115 मिलियन US$। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, श्रेया सिंगला हु ओन ए गोल्ड मेडल फॉर इंडिया एट द 24th डेफलिम्पिक्स प्ले विच स्पोर्ट्स? बैडमिंटन। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हसन शेख मोहम्मद हैज बीन selected as the next president of which country? Somalia. Right option will be D. Somali legislators have elected former leader Hassan Sheikh Mohamud as the African country's next president. Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, who served as Somalia's president between 2012 and 2017, won the contest in the capital Mogadishu. Next question, the National Green Tribunal NGT has asked which state's town planning department to hold the draft development plan? Himachal Pradesh. Right option will be C. नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल ने हिमाचल प्रदेश टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट को ड्राफ्ट डेवलपमेंट प्लान शिमला प्लानिंग एरिया पे रोक लगाने का निर्देश दिया है। इस मामले को एक इन्वायरमेंटल एक्टिविस्ट एनजीटी के पास लेकर के गए थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज द सेंट्रल लेदर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट लोकेटेड इन इंडिया? इन चेन्नई। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट Ministry of Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh addressed the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Central Leather Research Institute in Chennai. Next question, which is the venue of annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2022? तो ये आयोजित हो गया मई 22 to 26 दावोस में। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी 2022? International Day for Biological Diversity or World Biodiversity Day is observed on 22nd May every year to increase awareness and understanding of the issues of biodiversity. The theme in 2022 was Building a Shared Future for All Life. Building a shared future for all life. Right option will be C. Next question, which was the venue of 2022 Women's World Boxing Championship? Istanbul, Turkey. Right option will be B. इस वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैंपियनशिप में इंडिया को 1 गोल्ड और 2 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मिले थे। इसमें तेलंगाना की जो मुक्केबाज हैं यानी बॉक्सर निखरत जरीन ने 52 kg वर्ग में गोल्ड एंड मनीषा एंड परवीन ने कांस्य यानी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता था। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये रहा पटना के परफेक्शन IAS के टेस्ट 7 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन। आप बने रहिए इस चैनल के साथ। मिलते हैं किसी दूसरे वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।